That looks good. Hey! The Roborock Saros Z70, linked in description, pushes the boundaries of what a robotic vacuum can do. Its standout feature is its OmniGrip robotic arm, capable of picking up small objects like socks and slippers and placing them in designated storage zones, making it the first vacuum that literally lends a hand with cleaning. The Z70 also features a slim profile for easy access under furniture, automatic mop removal and retractment, and an integrated LED light for low light navigation. It charges quickly, boasts exceptional mopping performance, and includes a premium glass finish station that adds a futuristic touch to any room. Other conveniences include an auto detergent dispenser and top-tier specs like 22,000 Pascal suction and hot water mop washing, making this robot a true flagship.